Hey guys, I'm Pineapple Brain. Today I'm going to introduce my game made outside Mod IO, and it is called Wits IO. So in this game you are going to control a wizard and you are going to collect some coins by destroying them, and you will get some points, and then you can defeat other players, other wizards, and level up. So I've currently made UI here like this, and I added some of the update details here at my website here, and I've made like I can type my name where you can't type your name in Mod.io, but you can make an account. So let's say I type my name Pineapple Brain, and then when we join we will have my name here. Also, you can have some settings here, but currently I just made one where it estimates the movement, so just ignore it and let's play it. So when we join the game, and we have a wizard and we have an item, so this is a staff and we will control it, and we will shoot something from the staff, so we can touch them and deal the ram damage, and we can shoot those range, and we can get some skill points. And like deep.io, you can use those skill points to level up these skills. So let's say we have more fire rate, so I would like to introduce some of the UI here to you. So like Mod.io, I've made a chat system here where you can chat with others. So hello, and other players could see I type hello here as well. And also I will make some DP elements like scoreboards and this thing EXP system, which you cannot or you can hardly make in Mod.io. And this one, the skill, it is a bit similar to Deep.io, but I have made a different thing. So there is no penetration but spell size. Increasing the spell size will increasing the weight as well as its physical size. So let's see, when we increase its size, it will slightly become larger and stronger. So let's screen, and actually I've made a mini-map here where you can see your own wizard's location in the map. Maybe you want to have PvP with your friends, or you want to know where you are, where you locate. You can just see the mini-map. And this feature I've made it because I've want to make a mini-map for a long time, but Mod.io just now we can make a mini-map. So I made this, and I realized it is not such difficult for us to make a mini-map. And now we can see that these rings that's moving, and I just make them move, and they are moving randomly. And actually in the whole map we got 400 or 500 similar rings, and no lag for us because I've made it do not send the data outside your screen canvas to you, so that when you go into the game you can just see these things. And let's say your friend is on the left bottom, you will not receive his or her or their data, and you will only know some of the people in the scoreboard, and I limited it to 8 people. So we need to speed up our grinding so I can introduce some of the classes to you. So the gold rank have more experience for us. So I think actually now with .io is still in an alpha state. After a month, actually a month and a week, I start making this game in Replit.com at the 31st of May, and I've worked on this game for a month already, day by day, and every day I've made new things. So actually the process is quite good, and I will keep on making it and try to make it like a real IO game, but now I'm going to try to not to copy too much from other, or learning or using some stuff by others. Maybe I should be more unique. So apart from mod IO style, I already demodized a lot. Originally everything I like mod IO style, but I don't like it, so I changed them to more DP style. So here we will have 3 classes, and at the moment I just made them today. And this one will have a large bullet, and this one will have dual bullet, and this one is just like the IO minigun. So let's have this one. I like this one. It shoot a big bullet, but actually not shooting. It is tough. It creates spells. So we like to we would imagine it is a spell, and in the future I would like to make it really being a wizard, and I will try to create more professional arts for this game. But at the moment I've scripted a lot in this game, and it is still not very good to be a product or something you can call a playable game, and a game that is fun. It is still in an alpha state, and I hope that I could release it to everyone to play soon, where players think the game is interesting. So we have maximized the spell size, and you will see this great large orb. So it is a bit, I like it so much, and I would like Destroyer in Deep IO as well. Let us level up spell damage, and let's bring to level 30, because I currently just made level 15 and level 30 upgrades only, but not level 45. And maybe we don't need to stick to Deep IO, and we can have more level up, like level up in the wizards. You can have some or other features like teleport, or you can have something else. I would try to decide on a better playing experience, like you really feel your level upping, and you will see that it lags. This is the problem that we countered. You see it lags, and I still having difficulties on solving this problem, and you see it just laggy, and I can't control it. So this situation always happen, and I'm still finding the solution, and hope that I can solve it as soon as possible. So now it's okay now, but player just left already when they face lag. So it is very bad for us at the moment that it got disconnecting and reconnect, and in like 10 minutes, but sometimes it can last for 1 hour. if we can't encounter the connection problem, at least we can extend each section duration, maybe. But I hope that I can find it and solve it, but now I can't. I need to learn first. I still have many things to learn, to study about how to make this. Oh, by the way, I made this by PCJS PIXI.JavaScript, and this is rendered from the client side, and the physics is meta.javascript. So we have these two, and for the connection I use the socket.io, but at the moment I don't think it is so good. Maybe the host problem, because I host it on Namecheap and I have cPanel to control it, but I don't know what's the problem that caused bad connection right now, and I am very annoyed by this and still have many process for updating this game. So actually you can play this game in my website. So you can go to my website and go to the game page and visit here and check my game. I would generally update it daily, but sometimes not, because some of the update needs to be done in my local host. I will update in my computer but not here after I test for several tests. So we are nearly level 30 and we can see I made the good class for it. So we can just have more levels, so we can get more point first experience. So this one is double thing. I don't know what it should call. I remember I named it bee stuffed. So it just should double, and it is very cool and I like it so much. Maybe level 45 we can have triple bullet, triple spell, and it will deal many damages. So actually that's all of my games. I want to introduce these features and something I would like to say is that mod.io helps me learn how to code, and in my university I also learned some of the coding skills and know more about how to make creative things, and I would not so active in mod.io in the future, because people will grow and people will have more challenging processes, and now I'm moving on to a new stage where I do my own, create my own game, and I realize I'm capable for this. So I should keep on doing the things that I think is correct. Although I would make fewer tutorial about mod.io, but I will still have some uploads on the topic of mod.io. But now I'm more likely to have some P5.js tutorial, so I will introduce P5.js where I want to introduce this good thing. So we can draw graphics, we can even make games on using it. So I think it is a good library, although I seldom use it now. I use this PCJS to draw this canvas because the performance is better when I search the internet, and people say that P5JS is slow. But we can have different changes or learning different things from easy to difficult. So Mod.io is kind of now easy. We need to step by step learning more difficult things in order to make a real game. Like you can make games in Unity and Unreal Engine. That's what I want to do. So I want to make games in Unreal Engine where people make masterpieces in such engines. So I think that's all of today's video about. I don't know what should it be. Maybe my introduce of my game, or my opinion on my future, or something, my opinion toward Mod.io. I don't know, but I think I will not mix the titles for like my talking because it is so long. So if you watch till here, so I will be grateful. Thank you for watching. So that's all of today's video. If you like it, I hope you would share with others about my videos on Mod.io and P5JS, or even my videos about Apex Legend, although nobody or few people watch it. That's all of today's video. Bye bye.